Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Clash Royale app. For that you need to open your app store. There let me just go back, and there you need to tap on your search button and it will open your keyword. There you need to type CLASH space Clash Royale and tap on this get button, and then it will start to download, and it will prompt you to double click on your power button and it will scan your face ID, and after that it will start to download and install on your mobile phone. And it might take few seconds or minutes depending upon your network connection, how fast your network connection is. And if it is fast it will take a few seconds, and if it is a little bit slow like mine it might take few minutes. And when you see this open button right here, that means it is ready to play. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.